Hi there, welcome to our step-by-step guide on using Redis for caching with Bal Persist. In this video, we'll walk you through how to model your application data, generate the cache API using built-in tools, and write a simple RESTful service to manage cache data with the generated client APIs. Let's get started. First, let's initialize Bal Persist for Redis DB inside the Ballerina package and define our application data model. This is the data we are going to generate and persist in the Redis DB. Next, let's generate the cache APIs by building the Ballerina package. Set up Redis DB configurations and cache configuration in the config.toml file. These configs are generated automatically along with the cache APIs. Now, let's create a simple RESTful service with resource functions to create user and post records and retrieve user records by key. We'll persist them in the Redis DB with a max age of 10 seconds using the cache APIs we generated. Let's run the Ballerina package and send a few HTTP requests to create and retrieve user and post records. Finally, let's wait 10 seconds for the records we just inserted to expire, and then try to retrieve the user record again. Thank you for watching our guide on using Redis for caching with Bal Persist. We hope you found it informative and helpful. For more detailed information and additional resources, visit ballerina.io.